In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Revolut bank sort code. Now, a sort code is required if someone is sending you money internationally. Now, there are two methods I'm going to show you. The first method will just be on the home screen in your Revolut bank app. Once you can find add money, exchange, and details, you click on details. Once you click on details, in BIC Swift code, you will find Revolut 21. You can also check the Swift code over here, and it's also the same thing. It's Revolut 21. And when someone wants to send money to you, you just give the person your IBAN number and your BIC/Swift code, which is Revolut 21. If there are other details, you can also add the bank name and address, and that's all. This is the first method. The second method will be to go to the home screen, and at the top left corner where you can find your name initials, you click on that and you scroll to account. Once you get to account, you click on account details and you click on your Euro account. Once you do that, you would also be able to find the BIC/Swift code, which is Revolut 21. I hope this video is helpful. Follow for